Welcome to the garden classroom. Today we're going to be making a Easter decoration. For this Easter decoration you will need a stick. It can be a straight one or a more gnarled one. Optional is fine nylon. I've got fishing line here. Some string, scissors and some decorations. I've just cut a piece of string. The string you will need is about double the size of your stick. Yes, so that's about right. We're then going to tie one end around this side and one end around this side. Like that. So it will give you this type of effect. With the nylon fishing line, you're going to cut a strip. It doesn't really matter how long, but because we've got two flowers, we want two more or less the same length. So we're going to measure it like this so that they will hang either end. Put that one to the side. Hopefully we can find it later. And then I'm going to tie it round this piece of wood. Like that. We're going to tie it the side between the two pieces of string. We don't want it on the outside because it will fall off. It doesn't matter the length of your nylon, but what we're going to do is repeat what we've done with the two flowers with the other decorations. Now your decoration is finished, all you need to do is fill up any of the little pockets that you have with some Easter eggs ready for Easter Sunday. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Come back and see me another time.